Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to Mikhail and Minecraft, and yeah, I just made this for some apparent reason. And I just want to show you it. Look at this. Oh, wait. Let me just quickly destroy that debug stick. I promise, guys, I did not use that debug stick at all. Now, just look it. Boom. I think that's pretty cool. Then this, and it's revertible too. Yeah. I think that's pretty cool. You're able to do this also, and then this. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. It basically works by, like, when you flick this lever, it's pretty obvious that that redstone dust will feed into the repeater and power this entire redstone line, and which will cause this to happen. Now, how does that even happen at all? Well, let's then take a look at the redstone. So here is the redstone. Yeah. It may look complex, but it was actually pretty easy to build. Yes, I did use cyan wool for this, but it doesn't matter. What does matter is that it works. Not that everything has to be color-coded. To be honest, I rarely color-code stuff with wool. Like, especially when I'm building, like, a, computational redstone build, yeah, I just, for some reason, rarely, like, color codes the wires at all. I mean, I know color coding the wires means they'll look like, actual, like, real-life computer components, but, yeah. It doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to work. And yeah. So basically, this lever, well, it just does this, and as you can see, this is a special redstone line that actually feeds into this that doesn't get turned on, but the rest of the lines get turned on, which is actually what draws the square. And then when you finally turn this thing on, for example, let's turn this thing off and do this. Then, as you can see, the redstone dust not only feeds into this line, but it also feeds into this repeater, which powers the rest of the thing, and then this special redstone line, which is actually powered this time, and then powers this, well, obviously, and yeah. Oh, and by the way, credit to, Matt Batwings for this design. Like, I did not make, like I didn't design this screen design. Like, for example, like that uses the torches. Credit to Matt Batwings for designing this. Okay, he didn't like go into my world and design it for me, but I was watching I was watching one of his videos, and yeah, I just decided to use this because, well, I thought it was pretty easy and convenient because it was obviously stackable. Again, credit to Matt Batwings for making this design. I'm completely not responsible for making this design. But yeah, I hope this thing is still pretty cool, and yeah. But all these were made by me, I promise, this time. These were all made by me. Like, I didn't see any videos, except mine, stating that I made these. I mean, stating that anyone has actually made this. And yeah, I maybe could render something 3D, but yeah, that's just not gonna happen at all. But yeah. I hope you enjoyed this, and yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye! Signing off.